Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall the Pale Moon web browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start off by opening up the search menu, type in settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left side, and then on the right side underneath apps, you want to select installed apps. Search for Pale Moon, and then select the three-dotted icon next to the application and select uninstall. It will say this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall, and then yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Select next, and then uninstall, and then finish. What to just restart your computer just to make sure it was completely removed. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.